Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, maybe good night, but you have to listen to this story before you go to sleep. Let me tell you the story of the young crab and his mother. Why in the world do you walk sideways like that? Said the mother crab to her son. You should always walk straight forward with your toes turned forward. Show me how to walk, mother dear, answered the little crab obediently. I want to learn. So the old crab tried and tried and tried to walk straight forward. But she could walk sideways only, like her son. And when she wanted to turn her toes out, she tripped and fell on her nose. The moral lesson of this story, my friends, do not tell people how to act unless you set a good example for that. Thank you very much.